In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change t-shirt color in Canva. By the end, you'll know 2 reliable ways to shift a shirt from one color to another while keeping the fabric texture and folds looking natural. Start by opening Canva and heading into your design. If your t-shirt is already on the canvas, select it. If not, upload your t-shirt image from your device and place it on the page. Images with even lighting and a solid colored shirt work best, because they respond cleanly to color adjustments. With the image selected, click Edit Photo. If your shirt is surrounded by a busy background or you only want to change the shirt and not the whole image, use Background Remover. This is a pro feature, and it quickly isolates the subject. After it runs, clean up the edges by switching to the Erase brush. Zoom in, use a smaller brush around seams, collars, and sleeves, and refine any spots it missed. This extra minute helps prevent halos or color spill onto the skin or background. For solid shirts, the simplest approach is inside Edit Photo under Adjust. Here, you'll see hue, saturation, and brightness sliders. Nudge hue to shift the color itself. If the change looks faint, increase saturation slightly to make the new color pop, then fine-tune brightness so the shirt doesn't look washed out or unnaturally dark. Small, gradual moves work best. Watch the shadows and highlights in the fabric. If the texture starts to disappear, bring brightness back toward the middle so creases still red as real fabric. If your shirt had a strong original color, a small hue shift goes a long way. If it was neutral, you can push the hue further. If you prefer a strong, uniform color overlay, try the duotone effect. Go to Edit Photo, open Effects, and choose Duotone. You'll see 2 color swatches, one for highlights and one for shadows. For a single flat color, set both swatches to the same shade. For a more dimensional look, choose a lighter tint of your color for highlights and a slightly darker version for shadows. This keeps the folds visible while unifying the shirt's tone. After picking the colors, adjust the intensity if available so the texture doesn't disappear under the overlay. That's the process. Thanks for watching.